Morning friends, how are you? Friend, in our previous video we have completed up to part 4 of question number 1 of exercise 13.2. Now we are on 5th part of this. So let us start. See the statement of this. You are having 5 raised to the power 2 and whole raised to the power 3. Divide 5 raised to the power 3. This is the question. You have to simplify it and you have to express the answer in exponential form. So first of all, here this is the law of exponent. You have to use it exponent, and again the power is in exponent. Two exponents we are having. So which law is this? It is a raised to the power m and whole raised to the power n is equal to what? A raised to the power m into n. So this law we will use here. So according to this law, this base will remain same and these exponents get multiplied. So 2 multiply 3, it will be what? 6. Divide, this will remain same, what? 5 raised to the power 3. Now again you have to use the law of exponent. Again see these two numbers. Here bases are same and exponents are different, and in between there is division sign. So which law is this? So again you have to apply the law. Which law you will use? Because a raised to the power m divide a raised to the power n, and that is equal to what? A raised to the power m minus n. So this law you have to use here. Here this base will remain same, that is 5 will remain same, and exponents get separated. So 6 minus 3. So just simplify it. So you will get 5 raised to the power 6 minus 3. It will be 3. Don't simplify it. You have to give the answer in exponential form. So this will be your answer. This is your 5th part. Now see the 6th part of this question. Solution of 6th part. Read the statement of this. You are having 2 raised to the power 5 multiply 5 raised to the power 5. First of all, identify the law of exponent. Here bases are 2 and 5. It means bases are different and exponents are same, 5, 5. So bases are different, exponents are same. So which law is this? Because you are going to use a raised to the power m multiply b raised to the power n. So here bases are different but exponents are same. So it is equal to what? It is equal to a multiply b and whole raised to the power n. This law you have to use here. So according to this law, these bases get multiplied, means 2 multiply 5 and whole raised to the power 5. Now just simplify it. So you will get 2 5 jar. It is 10 and whole raised to the power 5. So this will be the answer of this part. Is it clear? So same way, now see the next part. We are on 7th part. Read the statement of 7th part. Here you have a raised to the power 4 multiply b raised to the power 4. Again identify the law. Here bases are different and exponents are same. So which law you are going to use here? Bases get multiplied, that is a raised to the power m multiply b raised to the power m. So that is equal to a multiply b and whole raised to the power n. So it will be a multiply b and whole raised to the power 4. So a multiply b will be what? It will remain same, that is ab, and whole raised to the power 4. So this will be our answer. So this is for the day. Thank you.